in the field like Carissa. I know a finna smoke your ass for gold and silver.
What's good, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in for another freaking video, man. Finally, man. Finally got time today for real. And I called off work for this, bro. So beat up that subscribe button, beat up that like button for I beat that. Yeah, though. Like I was saying, though, you feel me? I had brung up my special, my gun I carry every day. I brought that out today. I've been upgrading her ever since. On the low key, I ain't even been showing y'all, but today I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah! You feel me? Let me just show y'all. This right here, like my favorite. This is like my favorite Glock so far. The Glock 20. Yeah. It's big, so yeah, it's clear. Empty, none in the chamber. You can see right through there. What that? Yeah, you can see right through there. You feel me? And I got this YouTube complaint mag, the Chris Vector mag actually, and it fit right in there like that. The 29 round Chris Vector mag. I went to the range today with this, and it had everybody looking up in that boy like, damn. What that, bruh? What's that, bruh? That's that big 10 mil, bruh. I ain't even gonna lie. That's that, I had that. Oh yeah, let me just show y'all what she look like real quick. You know, get some more spectacalities of this. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh. Yes, sir. Then that's how I look at the mag in there. Yes, sir. I'm finna get this right here, gray and red though, just like the back of this right here. You feel me? So, update on this pretty soon. Just the last time you're gonna see this. This is gonna be my last time showing this for real. Until she more customized, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's that big one right there. That one, too big. And right there, this what I carry on me every day. So, yeah, you know. The legally dangerous 23. You know what I'm saying? Can't forget to keep, in case you gotta shine some there. Gotta wipe off all the gold. And let me just show y'all she clear real quick. Nothing in there.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9. It's just a joke. Come on.
I ain't gonna do that, but yeah. It's got that gold, the pins and all that shit. My next upgrade for this, I'm gonna just let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? I know probably don't even care for it, but like I carry this like special to me. The barrel gonna be gold, and this right here to take the mag out, that right there gonna be gold. And that's gonna be my complete build for this right here. It's gonna be my legally dangerous everyday carry. Yeah, I took her to the range today too. She kind of almost pissed me up. She kind of almost made me mad a little bit, but we gonna pick up for it. It probably was the ammo, bro. Like the MagTech bullets, bro. I don't think them good ammo for real. MagTech or the little normal box, but I ain't gonna throw no shade on them people. You feel me? But I got a couple clips of that at the range. It was a lot of people there, so I really like going to the range when it's like just me for real. So sometimes I'll be going in the morning, but this time I had my girl with me, so like we went like around the time it was like a lot of people was there, and like my ears low key still ringing from that situation. I ain't even gonna lie, but yeah, enjoy the clips. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Glock Dude Benny, and I'm back with another video. You feel me? And today though, bro, come close. I'm finna be testing out my legally dangerous. Yeah. I'm finna be testing it out because I just inserted this right here, all this shit right here. And in the inside, you probably can't see, but you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, you know. I'm kind of scared though. I'm finna see if she gonna run. Yes, sir. And I got an extended mag. Whoa, big 40. You took a blind Chris Vector?